everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel, you'll get detailed information about
more than 3,000 courses, career options and lot more information.
Thus, to attain all this information, all you have to do is
subscribe our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
Hey guys, hello and welcome to yet another episode of Career Planning. This is Shivam Singh this side and you have tuned into Student Khabri. On today's episode of Career Planning, we are going to talk about career as an interior designer. Interior design involves work on various projects to transform your working or living space and make it comfortable for use and aesthetically appealing at the same time, keeping in mind the safety factor. Working closely with clients and architects, an interior designer combines technical knowledge with artistry to execute his or her projects. From concept to completion, an interior designer has to be involved in all stages of the product. There is an unprecedented opportunity for growth in this industry. One only has to look at the new constructions, mixed-use residential developments, boutique homes, malls, hotels, etc. coming up across the country. Nowadays, real estate developers hire specialized interior consultants to add value to their property through well-designed and theme-based interiors, which are engineered towards their client's lifestyle. As an interior designer, you will be designing living and commercial areas and will have to manage various things at a go. You will be working according to a client's demands, interest and taste. As a part of the project, you will have to survey various buildings and have to go from place to place in search of the right material for decorating a place. You will be estimating material requirements and negotiate with clients for fees also. You can also become an advisor, wherein you can advise a client on areas such as space planning, layout, utilization of furnishings. Talking about the major skills required for this, one should have a certain degree of creativity inherently, knowledge of certain computer design softwares like AutoCAD, 3D Max, SketchUp is a prerequisite. Ability to handle both aesthetic and technical aspects of designing spaces. Strong knowledge of materials, organized, attentive to detail and commercial minded, well versed in people coordination and communication skills, knowledge of design codes, rules and regulations as stated by the government so that you don't run into trouble with the authorities. Multitasker, you may need to simultaneously juggle various projects. Quick thinker and solution provider. Should be precise with numerics to be able to survey and make suggestions of available space and adjustments. So how do I get there? Over the years, this field has become more specialized and employers give more importance to academic and professional background. Studying engineering or architecture before specializing in interior design can be helpful. Many design schools offer interior designing courses and some offer masters in fine arts with specialization in interior design. However, there are standalone courses for interior design as well. Student can team up with an organization where there will be different people or teams to take care of the logistical part, and the interior designer can just take care of the creatives. However, if at some point you want to run your own company or label, make sure that you have all the skills and experience required to be truly successful. It is a career which is highly rewarding. It lets you play with your own creativity. You get to travel a lot, but on the other hand, delays in construction have an impact on the projects. Talking about the salary package, one can expect its early salary between 3 to 4 lakhs, mid salary between 4 to 5 lakhs and senior salary above 25 lakhs. Its academic pressure would be medium and job pressure would be high. The minimum age to pursue this as a career is 18 years. So that was all in today's career planning episode. See you guys in the next video with such amazing career opportunities. Till then, stay tuned and take care. Thank you.
I hope you liked this video.
for more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.